deep.
Not another word.
Indistinguishable from one another. No possible intentions to even bother. It doesn't matter what is said or how we say it. Coincidentally, we all sound exactly the same. We all want to swindle kids out of their money. You're still doing this because you believe in it. It was somebody.
Yo supe que nadie iba a comprender tu música, pero tú no me hiciste caso. Yo te dije, no te vistes en color rosa.
When the world's overrun with too many bands, who's the time for? They all seem absurd. Pull down that herd, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's out now.
There is no hurt, there is no fear. We all just cry the same old tear. Don't look to me, I do not lead. I'm just in front and they're following. Some of the motherfucker without the balls and kahunas to take hold of the reins and use them. Why is something so obvious, so elusive? There is nothing on the menu that will turn abusive. I am part of the problem, not the solution. I'm just a prisoner in the same prison as you. People on the shoes to fall into positions already obsolete. Now what will necessary?
Yo te dije, no debes de firmar con una compañía de discos tan grande. Ellos no te aprecian. Yo no te veo en MTV.
When the world's overrun with too many bands, who's the time for? They all seem absurd. Pull down that herd, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's out now.
There is no hurt, there is no fear. We all just cry the same old tear. I cannot tell, is it just me, or do we all look just like Adolf fucking Hitler? with this swoopy emo boy dreamy haircut dangling in our faces, making us all indescribably indistinguishable from each other. Or maybe I'm just another megalomaniac. Oh. Reginald, release the hound. Go on, Pookie.